Would you mind expanding on the CYSA Plus and what significance the certification offers? I don't have this certification and I don't know much about it, but the source that you want to go to is CompTIA. CompTIA is the one that does this certification. If you want to actually know like what's going on with this certification as far as what you need and what the differences are and all that kind of stuff, here it is right here on CompTIA.org. So this is a Cybersecurity Analyst Plus and is an IT workforce certification that applies behavioral analytics to network devices to prevent the detection and combat cybersecurity threats through continuous security monitoring. That's really cool. So it's kind of like a SOC that's coming from CompTIA. That's good. GCIA from SANS is probably the biggest organization that does these kind of certs. They have probably the top cert for this, but it's cool that CompTIA is getting into this. GCIA, the CYSA Plus, it is certified. It's on the 8570, so the DoD will accept it. So it's not a bad cert. The person who to talk to me about it is Epiphany. Here's her YouTube channel right here, and she goes into like, I think this is like a 24 minutes worth of just talking about how she went in and passed it. So yeah, check out Epiphany. Her YouTube is called Person-Centered Cyber. Just type in that certification and you'll find that particular cert. She breaks down everything you need. Here's her site right here about that particular cert. She's got multiple videos about it in detail, so go ahead and check it out. Recent ones, by the way. That's a good place to start if you want to know more about that cert, CompTIA CYSA Plus.